Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Syed Hassan Nemat and I am going to teach you something amazing today. So basically, if you don't know me, let me tell you, I'm a certified manager expert followed by a social media expert. And yes, let's talk about today's video. What I'm going to tell you in today's video, I'm going to tell you about TikTok. But there's nothing new in it. But yeah, there's a catch. Have you ever heard that ManyChat has offered TikTok? Yes, ManyChat is offering TikTok now. This is the catch. This is a new thing. They are doing a beta of TikTok, and if you are watching this video in February, that means you are early bird here, and you're gonna learn something which billions billion of people don't know about. So let's not waste our time and let's start our small lecture. So let me share my screen. Okay, so basically, this is my website. If anybody wants to see, they can go and check it out. My expertise are social media management, chatbot development, website designing, trainings, and a lot of activities. So, guys, everyone know what is chatbot? Everyone know what is ManyChat? So now ManyChat is offering TikTok on their platform. So let's do one thing and let's connect the ManyChat and TikTok together and let's do some wonders. Okay, guys, so this is our TikTok page. How we went there? We went to setting and then I click on the TikTok and there you go. First setting, TikTok, and here we are. Okay, TikTok, let's connect it. Okay, what it says current TikTok is only allowing a business account. Okay, my TikTok account is already a business account, so nothing to worry about. Let's if anyone don't know how to do it, let's watch this later tutorial. It says you need to go to settings, privacy accounts, and switch to business account. You can see on the site the video for your ease. It's very easy to do and it will just take a couple of seconds, not even a minute. Okay, so let's done it and let's open the TikTok. It is opening. Let's see. Okay, it is. This is my account. It's saying, yeah, they need some access. We have no choice. We will give them. So yeah, now it will be okay. Now it is connected. So let's do some wonders here. Let's start our TikTok journey. Okay, currently they are only offering the inbox message. Very soon, it will offer drive followers straight to your TikTok inbox to send automated message. Excellent thing. TikTok comments automatically reply or send a private message when someone comments on TikTok. This will be a game changing, I'm telling you. But currently we have only this thing inbox messages. So let's start our TikTok. Let's make an automation and let's do the TikTok. Okay, there you go. It is connected. Okay, so there will be a note. There will be no trigger. Actually, there will be a trigger. Let's click on new trigger and click on user send message, and then we will do some keywords. Like my keyword is, for example, my name. Okay, I'll just put my name as a keyword, Hassan, and I'll create it. So it is created. Now let's write a message. Okay, hi, my name is Syed Hassan Nemat. I am a social media, actually, I am a digital maestro, right? Okay, we cannot have buttons here right now. The option is not available, so we are limited. Actually, we are in beta, so maybe they will allow the button and all that stuff later, the later stage. But currently, we don't have those options. So let's make it simple. Okay. Hi, my name is Hassan. I'm a digital maestro. Okay, very good. The next message will be my expertise are social media management. It includes everything like ads on a list of chatbots, websites. That's it. Okay. The next step would be a data collection where I want to collect something. This question will be, what is your name? Okay, that would be question. Let's make it the first name here. Done. Okay. Okay. Uh, The next question would be, what is your what is your I'm assuming that you know how to operate, how to use this ManyChat thing. That's why I'm being a little quick. If you don't know how to use ManyChat, you can take my courses. Okay, let's next step, TikTok, and here you go. You have to close this text one and you have to open the data collection. What is your mobile number? Okay, this that's the second one, and then let's save it to the mobile one. And the third one would be email address for later targeting them. Yeah. What is your email address? And let's change the type to email. Okay, after this question, we will ask them what type, what type. Oh, actually, I'm using my speed of typing is so much that sometimes I just press some shortcuts. Okay, what type of service do you want to avail? We will give them a choice between social media management, chatbots, websites, others, other services, right? Okay. Uh, that would be a data collection. And then we will go to contact reply, and then we have to save it to the custom field that would be required service. So yes, now we will create this one. The spelling of service is wrong. Oh yeah, service. Okay, VIC. Okay, other services. So we have four services: social media management, chatbots, website, and other services. Okay. So now let's continue. After this message, what are we going to do? We will connect our Google Sheet with this. But before doing that, let's do the thank you one too. Like if someone messages me here, I have to thank them. I will say thank you. You, I thank you. I will contact you shortly. Thank you. I will contact you shortly. That's it. Yeah. You can use emojis to make it look better and more beautiful. So yeah, okay. So now we have a little bit of automation ready. Now what we are going to do, we are going to connect our Google Sheet with this. So on the last question we will do it. So okay, we have four questions: name, mobile, email, and service. Okay. Now we are going to do action, and then we are going to use some Google Sheet and we're going to insert the raw. Okay, so our sheet is ready. So we will just name it like I would name it Sayyid Hassan Neemat TikTok, and then I will write the columns, which is name, mobile, email, and services. Okay, these were, let me bold them. Okay, so now I'll go back to the ManyChat, and then I will see select spread. It's not showing because I did not refresh it. So let me do it now. Okay, now it's showing Sayyid Hassan Neemat TikTok. I'll press there. Worksheet, sheet number one. Now it's showing us the column. We will just fix them like this. On the name, we'll put name. On the phone, we'll put phone. On the email, we'll put email. And services, we have a custom field, which is services, something, yeah. Services, yeah, required services. So we'll save them. Okay, now this is done. We have nothing more to do. It's just a simple bot just to give you an idea how this works. That means make it live. Okay, so automation is live now. So why don't we go and try it? Let's try the TikTok bot on ManyChat. Okay, so now we are going to search it. So let me not write my name here. Search the profile. Okay, there you go. I open it. Okay, so guys, the profile is open. Let's go to message. And now we're going to message the keyword, which was my name. And yes. Just press the keyword. Let's see what's going to happen. The bot should trigger, and let's see. And the bot triggered. Hey, my name is Hassan. Sayyid Hassan Nemat. I'm a digital master. My expertise are social media management, chatbot, website, and I write by mistake. Oh, so we will correct it later. So, what is your name? My name is also same. I say. My name is also Hassan. Okay, it will ask my number. I'll put my number. Okay, this is my number. After this, it will ask my email address. Yeah, this is my email address. Now, after this, it will ask me what type of service do you want to avail? Social media, chatbot, website. I will say social media management. Okay, just say like this. And now after this, it will tell me, thank you, I will contact you shortly. Now, all the data from here should come on our Google Sheet. Look, guys, that's the magic. So, TikTok bot is working absolutely fine. We got everything here. Now this is our TikTok bot. It's also telling us that it run for the one time. And yes, I hope I gave you a good idea how to do it. And if you need any more suggestion, if you need any more help, feel free to contact me, and I'll gladly help you. Do check my website, and if you need any services, feel free to contact. Have a nice day. Take care.